Right, just a quick tip: if you got a pump and the unions are seized up, you can get some heat on it, or you get your multi-tool, get a good blade on it, and cut a groove in the nut. It's a bit hard one-handed, you can see I'm slipping off all over the place there. Once you've got a groove, get your flathead screwdriver, and you can split the nut, and that'll get the nut off then. Then you got the nut off, the bottom one won't come off, it's the same with the bottom one, these were rock solid, couldn't get them off. So there you go, that's the top and bottom off now. Now you can actually just replace the nut now you've done that if you put a new pump on. So that comes in handy if your valves are working but your nuts are seized on, you can just replace nuts. But we am just going to replace the valves on this one because we're putting new pump and new valves in. So new valves in, just going to put new pump in. It's pretty good if you've got no room, like you've got no movement in the pipes. You definitely need to get the unions off. That's just a quick way to get the unions off. There you go, new pump, all done. Hope that helps. Job's a good one.